Can we trust what we see? My name's Corey and I want to show you a visual illusion which is based on science and not magic. All you're going to need for this is a glass, a coin, and some water. What we're going to do is we're going to put our glass on top of the coin, and if you have a look, you should still be able to see the coin. But I wonder what will happen if we add some water to our glass. Make your predictions and we're going to test it. 3, 2, 1. What? Where did the coin go? The coin was definitely here, and if we take the glass off, and we can see the coin is still there. And usually how we see the coin is we're looking at the light that's reflected from the coin and into our eyes. And when we have just an empty glass, the light goes from the coin, through the bottom of the glass, through the air inside the glass, through the side of the glass, and then through the air to our eyes. But I wonder, where does the light go when we have our glass of water? To investigate that, we can have a look at some different angles of the glass. So you can see that the coin is still not there when we're looking at it through the side of the glass. But if we have a look through the top, we can see the coin down the bottom really quite clearly. If we have a look at a slightly different angle, you can actually see the coin reflected in the side of the glass. So this means that when we have our glass of water, the light goes from the coin down the bottom, through the bottom of the glass, through the water inside the glass, and it bounces off the side of the glass. It doesn't go through. And then it goes through the top, and if we're looking at it from the top, then we can see the coin. And this bouncing off the side of the glass instead of going through is called total internal reflection. And it's the same thing that happens when you're swimming underwater and you're looking at the surface of the water above you. You might see really clear reflections. You can also see it in fish tanks too, by looking at the top of the water from the sides of the tank. So I'd love for you to have a go at this experiment at home and let me know how you go in the comments. Thanks for watching.